With animation, anything can happen. If you can imagine it, we can help you create it. Fuse provides a highly skilled team of animators during a 3-day workshop that will break down the animation process, enabling you to increase the level of your content creation and produce highly engaging material. Day 1. The key to creating an engaging animation is getting the message right. Learn how to communicate key messages through the art of storyboarding. And get an overview of how you will take your ideas from the page to the screen using our industry standard software. Day 2. Prepare to get creative. On the second day, you will be given the opportunity to delve into Adobe Illustrator, where you will get to grips with the tools and shapes you can use to create the images for your video. Day 3. This is where the magic happens. Bring your images to life in Adobe After Effects. Learn all of the basic motion graphic techniques and build your confidence in animation. In completing the workshop, you will understand the basics of animation itself, the processes and software that is used, and you will have your own video to showcase your new skills.